What's up, viewers? On this, I guess you can say, a pretty decent Wednesday, I'm gonna be showcasing a 5-inch, I think 5 or 4-inch neon shell. Not too sure the name of it, but you guys will see shortly. I'm gonna be showing this video only because I'm working on the walkthrough for Phantom, which will come soon, hopefully tomorrow. If not, then before the end of the week. But stick around, stay tuned. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video or this demo you guys will see shortly. So let's get it.
Whenever you're ready. Alright, go back. Yeah.